Hello everyone and welcome to our today's session wherein I will be taking you through the miscellaneous questions of reasoning. Abhishek sir has already taken you through two sessions of puzzles where I think he has solved some four puzzles, right? So some 16 questions out of which I'm quite sure all of you would have found that at least three were very doable. That means 12 questions, right? And here I'll be discussing with you some 18 questions that will take it to 18 plus 12 some 30 questions plus 4 of the critical reasoning which Rachnava sir will do, that would take it to 34. So these 34 I believe everyone could have done, and then you have that preferential marking here also in the reasoning section. It is about 1.2 marks, right? So almost 34 questions will definitely take you in the top league, and that is all that was expected in this paper, right? So let us see whether I am actually correct in saying that these 18 questions were very doable or not. Let's get started with it now. Let us look at our first question. What is given? All the vowels of the word autocracy are changed to previous alphabet, like A is basically changed to Z and similarly. And all the consonant are changed to the next alphabet as per the English alphabetical series. The letters are then arranged alphabetical order from left to right. So we have to arrange alphabetically from left to right. Each letter is to be counted as many times as it appears. How many letters will be there in the English alphabetical series between the letters that are 6th from left and 3rd from the right of words thus formed? Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, right? So 3rd from right, 1, 2, 3. This will be 3, and there will be the 6th basically will be what? 4th from the right itself. Yeah, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be from the left, will be 4th from the right. Then only we'll have, this was the 6th here, 7th, 8th, 9th, right? And from here this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. So basically I have to look at 3rd and 4th from right. That is all I have to find. So let me quickly try to arrange this. What is this? A U T O C R A C Y. For A it is Z. So let me quickly do this. Then we'll take care of U. So it will be T. For O, N, right? And then we are left with vowels, right? So what do we have? S T U C D R S C D and then Y Z. Now I have to arrange this in the order, right? So what do I get here? Two D's I can see, right? So two D's I'll put, and then I see three Z's, right? So these will anyways occupy the last three, right? So 3 to 5 are done. I am left with 4 more. What is that? T U N S. So what I'll get? N, yeah, S T U. And I have to take care of third and fourth letter from the right hand. Between U and Z, how many are there? U, V, W, X, Y. 4. More than 3. That should be my answer. Let us look at this question. What is given in a code language? Night watch is coded like this. Great wall is coded like this. I have to find the code for clean train. When I see great wall, I see these two double L's and I see these two symbols. This looks like, this is the hint here for us. I'll check with A and A. Yeah, ampersand, ampersand. Good. That means it looks like it's just one-to-one correspondence and nothing more than that. I'll check with the two codes, G here and G here. Third is greater than, the first here greater than. That's it. I'm done. All I have to do is now find for clean train. And I'll not try finding. I'll see how I'll eliminate maximum choices. So the first one, there is no use. Yeah. The second one, there is no use. The third, I can see E. Yeah. That will eliminate one of the choices. So E is GRE, the third one, right? Which was first, second, third, dollar. So dollar is the choice. So this is gone, right? Next, yeah, all these are same. These are same. Next will be helping. Next helping letter will be my R, right? So R here is second one, which is these two dots. Yeah. So these two dots are not here. So this is also gone, right? Now I'm left with what? To decide between these two, what is the differentiator? The differentiator in these two is the second last letter, which is I. I, where is my I? N, I, right? So this is my asterisk. Yeah, asterisk is here. and asterisk is not here, so this is also gone, and I'll just mark my first as answer. Let's look at this question now. What is the direction here? Consider the alphanumeric string given below consisting of letters, numbers, symbols, etc. and answer the question that follow based on the given steps. So this is some string is given. All the consonants are coded in the above series from left to right in the given order only. Example, B is coded as 4. Okay, so this is B. Your C as R. Okay, C. D as this hash. E is not a consonant, so leave that. F as 6, right? So B, C, D, E is gone. F, this will be G, H, I nahi hoga. J, right? K, L, M, N, O nahi hoga. P, Q, R, S, T, U nahi hoga. I'll have V, yeah, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the consonants basically. And what is given? All the vowels are coded from 1 to 5. So A, E, I, O, U is coded like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Now if a word starts with a vowel and also ends with the vowel, then the codes for these letters are interchanged. If in the word a letter is immediately followed preceded by a vowel, then the code for that letter is replaced by the code of immediate letter in the dictionary, whatever will come from here. If a letter in the word has a code which is a number and immediately followed and preceded by a symbol, then the code for that letter is replaced by the code of immediate next vowel. As and when it comes, we'll see. If the word ends with a consonant, then the code for that consonant is exchanged with the code of second letter of the word. What is given? The unchanged letters will be replaced by the codes given in the string. The condition are applied step by step. So whatever happens in the first step, I'll have to move second step only after I'm done with the first step. So what is this? Adorable. It starts and ends with vowel. That is my step 1. If the word starts and ends with the vowel, then the codes for these are interchanged. And what I'm interchanging is 2 and 1. Clearly you can see in all the options also 2 and 1 is there. Now what is happening? Your next confusion can, if a word is immediately followed and preceded by a vowel, then the code for that letter is replaced by the code of the immediate next letter in the dictionary. So will I change D or not? Right? D is kind of between A and O, both vowels. So D should be changed. But if you look at this, your D ka, the next letter is basically E. So I should get a 2, nahi aa raha hai, right? That means why this D is not changing? Because now this D is basically after first step, I have 2 D O R A B L 1. Now this D is between 2 and O, not A and O, right? And hence now the next possible is this R is between O and A, right? So what will happen? It will take for your R ke baad what comes? S, and S stands for this exclamation mark. So this will change to 2 D O exclamation A B L 1. This is what will happen here. Now what I have to do? Look for if a letter in the word has a certain code which is a number, okay, and is immediately followed and preceded by a symbol. So यहाँ पर तो एक भी ऐसा we do not see. So this 3 will not come here. If the word ends in a consonant, then the code for that consonant is exchanged with the second with the code of the second letter of the word. Again, this is also not happening. It's ending with 1 now. So now what we will do, we will just kind of put their respective values from the string here. So 2, D is what? D is my hash, right? Here O here was 4, right? This is exclamation mark. A was 1, B here was 4, right? And L here is J, right? And I have 1. So this should be my code. 2 hash 4 exclamation 1 4 J1. This should be my answer here. Let us look at this question. Now I have to find the code for flower. Clearly the first to nahi hoga, which starts and ends with vowel wala. Next, if in the word a letter is immediately followed and preceded by a vowel, it is happening. Yeah, W is preceded and followed by O and E respectively. So what will happen? Then the code for that letter is replaced by the code of immediate next letter in the dictionary. W, yeah, U V W X, yeah, so I'll have this X Y Z like this. So X is 7, so this becomes F L O 7, yeah, E R. This is done. If a letter in the word has a code which is a number and immediately and preceded by symbol, to hai nahi, we do not have here, so chalo, this is gone. If the word ends in a consonant, yes, it happens here, then the code for that consonant is exchanged with the code of second letter of the word. So second letter is my L ka whatever code will be there will go there, and this R ka code will come here. That is all I have to do. Quickly write down the symbols here or look from the previous slide. Okay, let me just do this here. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and this is W only. So F here is 6, yeah. R here will be 5, so this will be 6, 5. O here is A, E, I, O, U, so this is 4, this is 7. E is 2, right? A, E, and L ka code will go here, which is J. So this should be my code. 6, 5, 4, 7, 2, J. This should be my answer. Let's look at this. What is happening? What is the code for the word Nirmala? Okay, Nirmala here, first and last, not vowel. This is gone. If in a word a letter is immediately followed and preceded by vowel, it is happening here. Yes, clearly this L so is happening. Then the code for that letter is replaced by the code immediate next in the dictionary. What is that? Yeah, L ke baad L M, and M ke liye what did we have here was percentage wala sign, right? So what will have N I R M A percentage, yeah, A, and then all I have to do is kind of let's check the next, yeah. If there is a letter in the word which is a number and immediately and preceded by symbol, no, those symbols are nahi, so this is gone. If the word ends in consonant, no, this is gone. So all I have to do is kind of again put back their respective, yeah, codes. N ka will be P only, all 5 options. This also does not look like the differentiator, so N and I is anyways gone. R, yeah, I'll just kind of check back from the previous slide is 5, right? So third option should be 5, so this is gone. Now M, yeah, I'll again go back and check. M is percentage, yeah, so M here is percentage, so this is gone and this is gone, right? And after percentage 1 aega and this will come and again 1 will come, so this is also gone, right? This is my answer. Simple. Let us look at this input output question. What is given? A machine, when given an input of the numbers, rearrange the input of the numbers following a set of rule and logic. Following is the illustration of the arrangement. Okay, this, if we decode this, then it's about just following the same pattern and writing this input and then solving my question. So what I'll do is help you figure out what is happening here. What is given here? 9213 is becoming 2193. 3462 is becoming 4632. 3129 is becoming 1239. And 3762 is becoming 7632. 1095 is 0915. 2732 is 7322. All the same number is getting rearranged. What is happening? The first is moving to the third place. First moving to the third place. First moving to the third place. First moving to the third place, right? First is moving to the third. First is moving to the third. That is always happening. Now let's see the second step. What is happening? 2193 becomes 0212. There is no 0. How it is coming? 4632, again I see a 0, and again 1239, again I see a 0, 4205, again a 0, 0915, again this was 10 was there, I am having 2 more zeros here, and 7322 I am again having your 10 is coming here. Let's quickly see how I can get these from 2193. Let's see, 2193. If I kind of add them, 2 plus 1, 3, 9, 12, 15, 16. No, it is not matching. Can I have any other possibilities? Okay, can I subtract 2 minus 1? No. Is 1, 9 minus 3, 6? No. Multiply 2 ones are 2, yes. 9 threes are 27. No, this is 12. Okay, let me see at least the first part. 4 6 are 24, yes. 1 into 2, 2. 7 6 are 42. 9 into 0, 0. 7 3s are 21. Yeah, this part is matching. Then what is happening with 9 and 3 is becoming 12. That means what? It is adding 9 plus 3, 12. Let's match. 3 plus 2, 5. Yes. 9 plus 3, 12. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Yes. That is what was happening here. Now let's see what is happening. 0, 1, 2, 2. 0, 2, 1, 2 is becoming this. 2, 4, 0, 5 is becoming 2, 0, 2, 4, 5. 0, 2, 1, 2 again is 0, 1, 2, 2. Right, and this is 4205 is 0245 0006 does not change. Your 2104 is becoming 0124. Basically the digits here in the number are getting arranged in ascending order. Now let's see next. 0006, yes, we saw here. 0122, yes, we saw here. 0122, yes, it is there. 0124, 0245 and 0245. That means what? The numbers here, after their digits were arranged in ascending order, they also got arranged in complete numbers. They got arranged in the ascending order. Then what is happening? This is 6. This is 5, means 4 plus 1, 5. Yeah, this is kind of simple. 4 plus 1, 5. Then this should be 7. This should be 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 11. And this should be again 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 11. Then 6 becomes 63, 5 becomes 52, 52, 7 becomes 94, 11 is 121, 11 is 121. This is the hint. 11 ka square is 121, 11 ka square is 121, 7 ka square should be 49, but I am getting 94. The digits are reversed. 25 digits reverse, 52, 36 digits reverse is 63. That's it. That is all you will have to apply for this given input and find your answers. Simple. All the time it takes is to just break this code, and you are in mains, you have plenty of time. Just neatly write down all these steps, don't do any silly mistake there, and get your answers. Let us look at this question. What is given? In each of the following question, 2 rows of numbers are given. The resultant number in each row is to be worked out separately based on the following rules, and the question below the rows of the number is to be answered. The operation on the number progresses from left to right. Again, right? Just follow the rules, you'll get your answer. What is given here? If an odd number is immediately followed by an even number, which is a multiple of 4, then both the numbers are to be added. So odd number here followed by multiple of 4, no, it's not happening. Now if an even number is immediately followed by perfect square, even perfect square, yes, 649. The smaller number is subtracted from the larger number. Smaller number 6 is subtracted from 49, which will make it 4339. This is what my new number, second row, will become. If a prime number is immediately followed by odd composite number, then the first number is subtracted from the second. Yes, your prime odd composite. So this will become what? 21 minus 2, 19. But at the same time, this after the operation has become prime, and this is my composite number. And then the first number is subtracted from the second. What am I getting here is minus 4. Right? And here I got 19 and 10. If a number is followed by a multiple of 5, then the number is multiplied. So 19 into 10, this will give me 190. So step 1 say, or the I'm getting this, and step 2 say I'm getting minus 4. What they're asking me? 2p minus 3q. So 2p is 380 minus 3 times q is minus 4. So 380 plus 12 should give me 392. Yes. Let us look at the next question. What is given? These two again, step 1, step 2. T is the resultant of row 2. Then what is the value of the resultant of row 1? So T here I'll have to first find, because operations are from left to right. So I'll have to focus here. If odd number is immediately followed by an even number, no, I'm looking at an even and perfect square wala. If an even number is immediately followed by perfect square, which is this, then the smaller number is subtracted from larger number. So 16 minus 10 is 6. I'll get a 45 here. If the prime number immediately followed by odd composite, no. If a number is followed by a multiple of 5, yeah, so 6 into 45 is what I'll have to do. This is 270. 270 is basically T, right? Then what will happen? Odd number followed by no. If an even number is immediately followed by perfect square, yes, 270 and 36. So 270 minus 36 I'll do. I'll get what? 234, right? And after that I have a 20. If a prime number immediately followed by odd composite, no. If the number is multiple of 5, they will be multiplied. Yes. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 4 4 6 8, and this 0 4 6 8 0 should be my answer. Let's move to the next one. What they're asking, what is the sum of the resultant of both the rows? What is given? Odd number is immediately followed by an even number, which is multiple of 4. Yes, this is happening here. Then both the numbers are added. So 63 plus 12 is 75, 28. Now, if an even number is immediately followed by a perfect square, even number, perfect square, no, it's not coming. If a prime number is immediately followed by an odd composite number, which is this case, the first number is subtracted from the second. So 57 minus 13 I'll have to do, which is 44, and then I have a 4. If the number is multiple, no, this is not happening. Now again, if an odd number is immediately followed by an even number which is multiple of 4, then both the numbers are added. So this 75 plus 28, how much am I getting, is 103. And what do I get here? If an even number is perfect square ke sath, then smaller number is subtracted from large number, then I'll get a 40. So how much I'm getting? 143. That is what they are asking, sum of the resultant of both the rows. I should get 143 as my answer. Let us look at this question now. What is given? Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. What is there? P percentage Q 12 means P is 19 west of Q. So this number corresponds to this number, and this symbol basically corresponds to east, west, north, south. That is what is happening here, right? So your percentage matlab P percentage Q is P west of Q. And this 12 is becoming 19, 15 is becoming 22, 24 is becoming 31, and 28 is becoming 35. They are all getting added by 7. That's the question for us. Now we understand the question. Let us see what we can do about it and how do we proceed. RJ to QP. No, I'll not be able to proceed because these will be two independent lines. I need continuity. For that, I'll need this OMOL. Yes, this looks like a good point to start. So I'll start with this. I'll name it 2. Why I'm doing that? How do I make continuous lines? After that, what do I have is I need OM or L, right? So OM or L. No, 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 no. Yes, I get it here, right? So this I'll name as 3, right? After that, M and S, again I have L also, right? I had this OL. So this I can name as 4. So now I have M, S, L, K, O. So all that option is open. S is there. Okay, let me name this as my 5. Right. After that, where should I go? S and Q. Q I can see here also. Yeah. So let me name this Q wala part as 6, and after that QP. P is coming here, right? So let me name this NP wala as 7. N is coming here also. I'll name it 8, and I'll come to this RJ at end. Right. This is how I'll begin trying to solve this question now. Okay, let's see how do I proceed with S. O at the rate of M. What does that mean? O is south of M. That is how I'll read this. So O is south of M. So M, I'll put a point here, M, and O will be south. And then what do I have? The distance is there. This is 13, means 13 plus 7. We have already reduced that. This will be 20. Second, O to L. This is percentage. That means what? O is west of L. O is west of L. So my L here will be somewhere here. Yeah, and this is how much? 3 meters. Matlab this will come as 10. I'll get my position L here. Third, M to S, right? This is 30 meters, and M S means M is east of S. M is east of S by 37 meters. That means what? I can just draw a big line here of 37 meters between M and S. 37. Done with the third wala. Fourth, L and K, right? 12 meters here, right? L and K, and hand is here. So L is north of K. L is north of K by 12 plus 7, 19. So here is what I'll get my K as 19. I hope I don't get anything below this. This is done, right? So 4 is done. Now let's move to 5. S and Q. S and Q, and is here. S is north of Q. So S is north of Q, matlab in 5, 13 plus 7, 20. I will go again exactly to this level of O. I will name this point as Q, and I'll put a 20 here. This I can do, right? Now I am done with 5. 6, QP, right? Q and percentage. Q is west of P. Q is west of P. That means I'll go here, and how much was that? QP 8 plus 7, 15. So I have P here, right? Now let's 6 is done, 7, N and P, your hash. So P here, yeah, and N, right? This is what I have, N and P, sorry. This is at the rate of, so this is your N is south of, yeah, N is south of P. So N is south of P by how much? 2 plus 7, 9 meters, right? 20 plus here, this is 9. P and N, this is 9, right? After that, 7 is done, 8. N and R, this is hash. So your N is east of R by how much? 14 plus 7, 21. Yeah, 15 plus 6, 21. This will be my R. Yeah, this is, yeah, N, R and N. This was 8, 14 plus 7, 21. All right, and the last is R and J. R and J, this R is north of J. R is north of J. This should be my final figure, right? And this is by how much? 3 means it should be 10. Let's see. What is the shortest distance between S and P? This is 20, 15. Shortest distance. This is 5 3 the 5 4 the, it has to be 5 5 the 25 meters, right? This should be my answer. Okay, let us look at this question. What is given? A percentage P 2 meters, and what is the distance between A and L? So I have to go A percentage P 2 meters. That's what I'll put here. A percentage P 2 meters, and then I have to find distance between A and L. Right? A percentage P will read as what? A is west of P. So A is west of P by 2 plus 7, 9. That means A is somewhere here. Yeah, and A and P ka distance here is 9. Yeah, so QA basically is 6. And then I have to find distance between A to L. That will be what? 9 here between A to P. P to here O wala part will be how much? 37 or 15. This was 37, this is 15, so this is 22 remaining part, and the last part here is what? 10. So 31 plus 10, this should be 41. Yeah, yes, that's my answer. Let's move to the next one. What is given? It is given B hash N, then what is the position of M with respect to B, right? So B hash N 15, B hash N, yeah, B hash N 15, and we have to find the position of M and B, right? B hash, hash means what? B is east of N, B is east of N, yeah, by 15 plus 7, 22, yeah, so B is here, right? M and B ka position basically I have to find. This is exactly niche iske, right? This is 20 and this wala part is 9, so 29 south, because this 22 aa raha hai. So basically B is 22 south of M. Let's see if it is given directly or in code. M with respect to B will be north, right? M with respect to B, yeah, M with respect to B will be north, and B with respect to M should have been south. Yeah, here for my question it should be north. Let us look at these questions. What is given here? A at the rate of means A neither small or greater than. So when we have the coded symbol, what do you do? Quickly make this table, right? Less than, equal to, less than, equal to, and then start putting their respective symbol. Neither smaller nor equal. That means what? It will be greater, right? So this is at the rate of, this is A neither greater nor equal. Neither greater nor equal means what? It will be less, right? Then A hash B is, A is not smaller than B. A is not smaller than B. So it can be greater than equal to B. A dollar is neither smaller nor greater. That means what? A is equal to B. And A star means A is not greater than B. That means, but it can be less than equal to B, right? So you put your star here and then quickly try to find what is this. T to X is hash, means T is greater than equal to X. X is greater than equal to your E, and Z here is greater than equal to L, and Z percentage here means what? Z is less than R. You would have written like this, right? Z is less than R. Basically, it means R is greater than Z. Let's see E and T, right? E and T percentage अब आ सकता है क्या? No, this is clearly E and T, so has to be T percentage E. Yeah, your T hash E should have come, right? So this is clearly gone. T hash, this is what I have just written, and that should be your answer. Only 2 is right here. Let's quickly move to the next one. What is happening? Okay, again I'll have to kind of just draw here. This was greater than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, less than, equal to. Quickly put the symbols. At the rate of hash dollar, at the rate of hash dollar, this was, I guess, percentage, and this was star, right? Let's quickly do this. L at the rate of y means L is greater than y. D H, so this will be D again, will be greater than H. L here is also greater than S, okay, and X hash D means X is greater than equal to D. Yeah, X is greater than equal to D. So L and D, do I have any relationship? No, absolutely no. X and H, yeah, X and H, here this sign will dominate, so that will be X is greater than, so X at the rate of H should be true. Yes, that's my answer. Okay, so with that, we can conclude our today's session. I hope you will agree that these 18 questions were definitely doable, plus 12, which Abhishek sir has already done, and then 4 more will come from Ratnava sir. So almost 34 here also. I hope now at least the reasoning and quant section are done and dusted. From tomorrow, we'll also start our GK revision. So I'll see you then. Thank you very much. Keep working hard.